Hello everyone and welcome to this showcase of the knowledge graph database that is currently being developed as part of task 2.4 inside work package 2. What you can see here is our database management system software, which is going to be the Neo4j for this project. Here we can access, for example, the different logs of the database with all the information, query logs, security logs, or any interaction which will be in our graph base. We also have several graphical interfaces that we can interact with. Here, for example, is the Neo4j browser that allow us to run real-time queries and see the result. For example, here we have run, tell me the full schema of the database. And as you can see here, we have all the different entities, which is fully interactive. And we can also see the relationship that connect those entities. For example, luggage is connected to the different scans or also connected to the flight or even the passengers. You can see also here how we are going to send this information as a JSON to the other subsystem whenever we are required to do so. For this demo, we have also prepared a specific query. That is the one that you can see here in the Neo4j Bloom interface. This query just search in the graph database for passengers that has a high risk of having contraband, and this risk is connected to what we have seen in the scanners. So we run this specific query and we do not have only just the information from the passenger, but we have all the connection that this specific passenger or luggage has, the connections with a ticket, the connections to the different scanners that has been used to scan this specific bag, the connection with the different flights, and also the connection with the ontology of drugs that it's been used in order to describe what we have found in this specific luggage. We can use later on all that information, all those connections in order to improve in task 4.5 the machine learning approach. Those entities also are not just a name, but it also contains all the information that we can gather, in this case, synthetic information from the PNR, from the ticket information, or if we are talking about flights, we have information about the routes, the departure times, arrival times, and any additional information that we find interesting.